Preserving the environment is part of our values, but are we aware of the contamination that the current fashion industry chain generates? Greenpeace has a list of 11 dangerous chemical substances used in the fashion industry that must be banned. One of them is the nonyl phenolethoxylate, used for dyeing and washing some tissues. In contact with water, NPE can cause changes in organisms, like in the fishes that we may eat. In a recent study promoted by Greenpeace, several products from 20 international brands were tested, and in some of them scientists found certain percentages of this substance. But change is possible. Paying a little bit more for sustainable clothing is an investment that will be worthwhile.